5% of the people of the world think. 15% of the people think that they think. The other 80% of the people had rather die than think and are dying because they refuse to think.
That's the kind of thing you hear on What's Happening. People who try and make you think. Every day at 2:10 on Channel 32.
This is the beginning. Only the beginning.
A good reason for borrowing is a good reason for lending. And the good place to borrow is household finance.
Lone Ranger.
Hi, I'm Jim Amici. Nobody loves old-time radio better than I do. Would you believe I was the original Jack Armstrong way back in 1933? And now I'm delighted to tell you the Longines Symphonette Society has recaptured old-time radio broadcasts on a special 2-record collection that includes The Shadow, Gangbusters, Terry and the Pirates, Fred Allen and Allen's Alley, Burns and Allen, Jack Benny, Lum and Abner, Ma Perkins, plus many more, all in this 2-record collection for only $5.95. Act now, and you'll receive an extra bonus album containing history-making news broadcasts, the Hindenburg disaster, the Louis Schmeling fight,
Max Schmeling is beaten in 1 round.
Babe Ruth's farewell, and Lou Gehrig's King Edward's abdication, FDR.
Yesterday, December 7th, 1941, a date which will live in
Churchill,
infamy.
Eisenhower, plus many more. Act now and you'll receive a double bonus album. Perhaps the most famous radio broadcast of all times, Orson Welles' The War of the Worlds. This is the original complete Mercury Theater of the Air broadcast of 1938 that had the whole country in a frenzy. You get over 70 old-time broadcasts, a truly nostalgic collection on 4 long-playing albums for only $5.95 complete. This offer's not sold in any store and is sold on a complete money-back guarantee from the Longines Symphonette Society. Now, here's how to order.
Send $5.95 to Golden Radio, Post Office Box 6066, Chicago, Illinois. That's $5.95 to Golden Radio, Post Office Box 6066, Chicago, Illinois. That's Golden Radio, Post Office Box 6066, Chicago, Illinois. WFLD TV, Channel 32, Chicago.
Life would be simpler if everybody saw things the same way, but they don't. That's why in the Sun-Times, we tell both sides and more. In the Chicago Sun-Times, you may read 4 or 5 different views of one story, or 10, whatever it takes, because we know you want to know all the sides before you take sides.
The right one.
We'd like to show you how we've changed Impala in response to the way you've changed. Among other things, we found you wanted greater assurance when you stop. So we've changed by giving you standard power front disc brakes for less heat buildup and fade for steady, even stops. Impala, now with standard power front disc brakes, still just at the price of a Chevrolet.
Nelson loves me, Nelson loves me, Nelson Brothers love me. Furniture for you, always something new. Nelson Brothers love me, and they'll love you too.
With your Nelson Brothers credit power, enjoy life now. You'll love the 16-piece Granada bedroom ensemble. Everything including Serta bedding. A world of rooms priced the warehouse savings way from $588 down to $244. Yes, you have credit power at Nelson Brothers. South Halsted near 65th. Cottage Grove near 63rd. 9605 South Cicero Avenue. Nelson Brothers North Broadway near Lawrence. Lincoln Avenue near Belmont. 1751 North Harlem. Nelson's Warehouse Sales 2750 West Grand Avenue. Open Monday and Thursday until 9 at night. Sunday 10 until 5.
Nelson Brothers love me, and they'll love you too.